In this video, we will discuss to you guys about the ongoing winter storm that's impacted the Northeast, and then we'll be talking to you guys about the historic lake effect snow, where some parts of the United States can get up to over 3 to 5 feet of snow. Welcome everybody, my name is Shabuna, and in today's video, thanks for all the support you've been giving, and let's get into the video. So, to begin the video, let's just talk to you guys about what's going on with the current the storm system, which is what we're going to do. First, we're going to be showing you guys that we still got the winter storm warning for parts of Maine, like we talked to you guys about that. Another 3 to 5 inches they'll probably expect already. Some places picked up over 10 inches of snow, especially in northern Maine. And then currently what's going on is that we're seeing some snow also in the Chicago and in the Midwest. So we'll go for the Northeast really quickly. We'll just show you guys the next couple hours as this snowstorm gets out of here, dumping heavy snow for parts of Maine and Vermont. You can see by this afternoon some more heavy, very heavy snow with some sleet and freezing rain mixed in for northern Maine and Vermont before it moves out of here by as early as this tonight, maybe around midnight should be out of here. And then it will be officially gone with some lake effect, which we'll talk about in a few minutes. So, how much more snow left for Maine? That's what we're going to be talking to you guys first. You could see another 3 to 5, maybe 6 to 8 inches snow, especially in far northern Maine, north of Prescott, northwest of Caribou. You might get a half a foot of snow on top of that already half foot of snow you already seen. And then if you just quickly zoom in into the north central, you can see maybe an inch or two near Chicago, maybe south and west of Chicago. So, now we've been discussing to you guys about the main event of this YouTube video, which is the historic lake effect snow. As you can see here, we're here at the National Weather Service office like we started the video. We first discussing to you guys, there are three main regions I want to discuss to you. First, there's already a winter storm warning, which is here for southern. First, there is currently a winter storm warning for northwest Indiana. They're already seeing heavy snow. Some places already picked up 3 to 6 inches snow. And how much more snow are they expecting? They're expecting through tonight another 4 to 6 inches of snow for northwest Indiana and in southwest Michigan, which could be the sweet spot. They could pick up another 6 to 10 inches snow in Benton Harbor. That's the first region we're going to be discussing to you guys. The second region I want to discuss is Watertown and Buffalo, but mostly Watertown I want to discuss to you guys first. So this is for Watertown. You can see how much snowfall they expect till Thursday. That's just to Thursday alone. That's just till tomorrow. You can see you might get another 4 to 6 just south of Watertown, maybe 8 to 10, 12 feet inches snow. And then here in the Buffalo region, you can pick up already, this is still to Thursday, 8 to 12 to 18 inches of snow. But this lake effect snow is going to continue, especially in the Buffalo area, for the next few days. Which is why if you go to the snowfall probability forecast, let's just zoom in right here. This is what the conservative model, I think this is very conservative from now till about Saturday morning. But still remember, it's going to be snowing all day Saturday, all day Sunday. 33 inches of snow. Over 3 feet of snow pretty much expected in Buffalo. This is still Saturday. I'm pretty sure they'll pick up probably another foot and a half from Saturday morning till Sunday night. So conservatively, 4 feet of snow. Even in near Watertown, another sweet span where you might get 2 to 3 feet. Remember, this is all conservative. You can easily, if you get under this band, if it continues to be going on, this is still Saturday, so this whole event ends on Sunday. So that 33 inches could turn into 48 to 60 inches snow. So about 4 feet of snow is what I would expect if you live just south of Buffalo near the Orchard Park. And even any of these places, look at Watertown, 24 inches of snow, 2 feet of snow, 3 feet of snow, expect that. Even near all the way towards Erie, you might get over 2 feet of snow. This could be historic. Not like it could be one of the worst lake effect snowstorms we've seen in a long time, and they've seen since 2014, where some parts picked up over 6 feet of snow, which, who knows, by banding heavy amount of snow, you could get very close to 6 feet of snow. So, let's first discuss to you guys about the lake effect snow for tonight for northwest Indiana and southern Wisconsin and southern Michigan. It is right here. You can see these dark bands as we coming into South Bend and southwest Michigan. It will continue all night into tonight, into tomorrow morning, and then it will eventually become the shift of the winds, which is why it's going to be impacting this region even more as it moves out of here by midday tomorrow. So from now till midday, how much snowfall are you guys expecting? You can see a nice swath of 5 inches snow for South Bend, but anywhere in near South Bend, maybe Kalamazoo, which is right about here, Benton Harbor, you might pick up 6 to 10 inches of snow. Anywhere, if you get underneath the band for long enough, this is going to be very heavy and wet snow. So that's why I expect 6 to 10 inches of snow, which is exactly what the National Weather Service is saying. Now we're moving to the northeast. Already, from now till tomorrow morning, you might pick up 6 to 10 inches of snow near Buffalo, and that's just the beginning of this lake effect band. These models are a little bit underdown usually, so you can just see the band just continues to develop, but it's mostly going to be Friday. Thursday you'll have enough time to shovel and do things, but by Friday's when, because the wind shifted like we talked about it here in northwest India, it's going to be coming directly off the lake, like north to south, from north to south. It's going to be moving from northwest to southeast, which is why this band of snow right here could just sit, and which is forecast to sit. You can just see this. It is just forecast to just sit and sit and sit near Buffalo, as well as near Watertown as well, which is the one just above that too, and sit and sit. So this is till Saturday morning. This is really Friday. From now till Friday at 7 p.m. How much snowfall could you see? Look at that. From now till Friday, you could pick up 15, 18 inches snow. This is just till Friday alone. From now till Friday and Sunday. The main event is Friday into Saturday. So now we're gonna let's look at another model, which would be the NAM 12 kilometer real quickly. And then we'll take a look at another models as well. You could just see NAM 12 kilometer shows it just keeps on sitting. It meanders a little bit to north before it moves back south Sunday. We're still not able to get the full total because we're still a far ways apart as well. So we'll take a look at the icon model to be more realistic. You can see it just continues to sit and sit and sit. So if I'm living anywhere in Buffalo, Watertown, Syracuse, you can just see these bands, so that's going to continue to sit and sit and sit. So guys, if you guys are living in this area, be prepared for an historic weather event. Could be record breaking. We will have to wait and see. If you're living in Buffalo, Rochester, or any of these towns we've been showing you guys, expect at least 3 feet of snow in Buffalo, but most likely be prepared for 4 to 5 feet of snow. So guys, this is crazy to think about. We're about to see this historic lake effect snow. Lake effect snow has been decreasing over time, but you guys want to be prepared. Remember, take frequent breaks. You don't want to risk getting a heart attack, especially all this could be very wet snow. So shovel, take multiple breaks. Also shovel it multiple times, like once a day, a couple times a day, to make it easier on yourself. And don't forget the roof, since don't want your roofs to collapse because it's gonna be heavy wet snow. So don't forget to take care of your roof. So thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you guys for another video. There'll be a vlog maybe tomorrow. It's coming up very soon. I've recorded 2 vlogs, so I'll catch you guys for another video. Enjoy your rest of the day. Goodbye, everybody, and stay safe in this historic weather event.